Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. So today I have my updated skincare routine and I am so excited to share with you some holy grails that have just transformed my face. So as you know, I have normal to combination skin if you've been following me over the years. And when I came to New Orleans, my skin just went haywire. I developed a lot of open pores, clogged pores, and no matter what I was using to exfoliate, nothing would work. So I went on a mission to find what I needed to do or what I needed to change in my routine to kind of get rid of it. I mean, I did a facial, it didn't work. I did dermaplaning, it didn't work, because they put like a little peel on as well. Nothing was working, and I even had my beloved Clarins pore minimizing serum, and that actually did help a little bit, but not as much as it used to. And I know actually Clarins has come out with a new version, so I think I will definitely have to try that as a serum once I've finished the other ones that I've got. But I found out what worked, and it's honestly all thanks to this Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic, and basically it's a toner as such, and I love it because it's a big size. And I've used this for maybe 2 months now, and I've only gone to here. And it's got one of these sort of thingamybobs where you push down and it will disperse like a good amount, and then you rub it, gently all over your face. And I use this as a toner, so after I've cleansed my face, and I'll use this in the morning and in the evening. And that is the key, is to use it twice a day. And I can't tell you what a difference it makes. And I can't tell you how much makeup is still left on my face despite the best cleansers, exfoliators, masks, what have you put on before. This is honestly a lifesaver. It is just kind of taken off all that dead skin and gone right down into my pores and just sloughed everything off. And I just look smoother and I just look like my normal self again, so I'm really happy. So let me tell you the stages. So I wash my face with the Kate Somerville. This is the Exfoliate Cleanser Daily Foaming Wash, and I bought the trial size just to see how I would like it. I'm a huge fan of Kate Somerville, but I still wanted to just try it just in case. And look how much I've used. This is over a month. And I've been like really putting a good amount, however much I needed, on my hand. And it's just not gone down. So that's pretty impressive. And you can use it morning and night. I just use it at nighttime, and I really make it foam, and I really go deep into underneath my neck, all over, and wash my face. And I feel like this is the one that's really taken off my makeup, and I feel clean, and it's not too abrasive or too harsh, and I love it. I absolutely love it, and this size is working out perfect for me. So whether I will keep continuing to buy this size because of travel, it's quite convenient, or whether I'll buy the full size, I guess it'll depend on how I work out the cost and everything. So once I've washed my face, I will go in with my Ren toner. This is literally my beloved at the moment. You have to get this. And I use the cotton pads by Shiseido. It's those $10 ones that you get. And I just love how there are 165 sheets, and I just love the quality of them. I love how smooth and gentle they are for your skin, and I just kind of pat down and then rub, and then you'll see how much left on your face. And even in the morning when I wash my face, you can wash with the cleanser again, but I just use water, and I'll put this toner on. Again, you will see how much kind of dirt and dead skin has just set in your, on top of your face throughout the night, be it from the AC, be it from whatever's in the air, that settles down on you, or just sweat and everything. It really, really just cleans you. So then I go into my serums, and I've been struggling to find a really good serum. As I said, Clarins has come out with their new pore minimizing serum, which I would get, but I don't have a Sephora near me. I mean, I don't have a Clarins counter near me. I only have a Sephora, which they don't sell Clarins, which is a real shame because they do Clinique. And then you know, there's so many serums out there now and oils, and I kind of got a bit overwhelmed. And I know Drunk Elephant was a huge success, or is a huge success still in the skincare community. And just looking at the price, $85 for something I don't really know about, I wasn't willing to spend that much. But then they had these like little samples that you could try for like $90, but that just looked ridiculous because they weren't even like deluxe sizes. So, you know, when you go through that little bad area in Sephora before you check out, and they have all these miniature things that just get me every time, they had the little, in a tin, circular tin, a daily and a night serum routine from Drunk Elephant, and I think they were like $24 or something, which again, you know, is a little bit meh, but together, you know, like that 48 wasn't as bad as like the 90 or the 85. So I am a bit annoyed that you have to kind of use 2 serums a day or 4 serums a day, but they are very, very good. Would I repurchase both for the day and both for the night? Absolutely not. That's just way too much. So this is the Sea Firma Day Serum, which I know is a popular one. It doesn't smell so good. And the Bee Hydra Intensive. And I basically squirt them together and mix them up and then apply them on my face. And then at nighttime, I do the same thing with the TLC Glycolic Night Serum and the Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil. So I think personally I will go for some serum that either has high potency of vitamin C or is the pore minimizing one from Clarins. But I'm using these for now. Then if you have been following me for years, you know this is my favorite eye cream. This is by Shiseido. It's the White Lucent Anti-Dark Circles Eye Cream. I believe it's around $65, but it lasts you more than a year. You don't need very much, and it's just so beautiful. I really feel like it helps with my dark circles. It doesn't abolish them, but it definitely just, I feel like it evens me out a little bit, and it really keeps my under eyes nourished. I love it so much. And then just to finish it up, nothing that I'm really like raving about is the Clarins Hydra Essential. This is a sort of gel consistency, and it's actually good if you have very dry skin, but I don't suffer from hugely dry skin, but it's very moisturizing. It goes in, you know, it feels like a gel, and I have no complaints. It's just not something that I was in love with and would have to repurchase for the rest of my life. So those are the things that I use, and I use this eye cream and face cream day and night as well. I don't have a separate cream. I always try to find a cream that I can use AM and PM. So if I ever come to the point in the month where I start developing spots or anything bad, I go to my holy grail. This is the Mario Badescu drying lotion, and I use a Q-tip and I plunge it all the way around, all the way to the bottom. You don't mix this solution up, and you will get a bit of the liquid and a bit of the sort of powdery substance, and you place it on the areas that you need. And sometimes it stings, which I love, sometimes it doesn't, but if I put it on at nighttime, the next morning my spots are gone. I have no problem. Of course, you should not pick, that is the number one, right? And if you do, it will sting a lot more, but it will leave no mark, nothing. They just go down. It's like it never happened. So then what do I do? Another thing that has kind of changed the way my skin is reacting to absorbing these serums and facial creams is this tool here that has those fine micro needles, and basically you rub it, you know, very, very gently without taking it off your skin, up and down, all over your face, minus the eyes and the mouth area, and then you do so vertically, horizontally, and then diagonally. And they put in little punctures. I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but they're like tiny, tiny needles. They don't hurt, but you can kind of feel the pressure of them, and it kind of feels nice almost. It's like a little, it's like tiny little like sharp pricks, but not enough to hurt you. And I do this all over my face, and again, you have to do it really light. It does puncture very, very superficially, but enough to kind of make holes in your face so that you can absorb more. And I don't know if did I say this? I bought mine off of Amazon, and I'm really, really happy with it, and I will provide you the details down below. This was $16. It was medical grade stainless steel needles. It came in a really nice case, and then another sort of drawstring bag, and then it came with a squeezy tube that you could put your facial cream or whatever you want. And it's just such a good price compared to the Nurse Jamie one, which was $50 on Sephora, which I did originally buy, and that was more of a stamping effect, but the stamp kind of came off already. So for $50, and this is 16 something, and you roll this, this was much, much better. So I use this every 2 weeks. And then in terms of masks, I've really been kind of trying all the trial ones that Sephora gives you, and I've been liking them. Like the Glam Glow is pretty cool, but nothing that I, again, was like in love with. I've tried, what else have I tried? I've just tried some random ones, but the one that I really like is by Ole Henriksen, and this is the Cold Plunge Pore Mask, and I really like this. I really, really like this, and it smells minty. It does have a cooling sensation, and it's just an overall good mask. I feel very refreshed. And then on other days, I'll use the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. This was all the rave at the beginning when Summer Fridays came out, and now everyone is kind of saying how they don't like it anymore, which is odd. This is unbelievable if you have very dry skin. And even if you have skin like mine, it's very nice to kind of plump up your face and just add that hydration in there. And I sometimes just, you know, at night time, if I don't use my eye cream, I will put a bit of this under my eye and let it absorb, or I'll put this, you know, all over my face and just sleep and wake up the next morning and wash it off. So I really, really like this. I think this, even no matter what kind of condition your skin is in, is actually very beneficial. I know they have a different one out now. I don't know, I haven't read about it, or I don't know what that is. But I definitely, because I've been so happy with this hydrating mask, I would love to try, you know, some more of Summer Fridays stuff. So that is my skincare routine. I'll do a quick outfit of the day for you. I have this Tiffany necklace, I have my Lindbergh eyeglasses, and then I have my Jadior sort of studs, and then I've got these little hoops from Anthropology. Then this is like a crop top, and I just love the color because it's very fall. It kind of matches my nails. It's sort of a burntish orange red, and this is from Urban Outfitters, and this also is from Urban Outfitters, which is just one of those sort of tops, and I got this in a large. And then these trousers are from Free People, and I really like them. They're kind of something I would never originally go for. They're quite loud, and actually I do wear loud stuff, but this for some reason just kind of was daring for me. And let me see if I back up, you can see what I look like, and I have them with my Prada loafers, and this is how I was going to school. So yeah, that's me there. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you soon. Take care, guys. Bye.